Hi everyone, this is Mahin and welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. In today's video, we'll look into the process of making rose water at home. Rose water has been used for thousands of years, including the Middle Ages. It's thought to have originated in what it is now in Iran. It's been used traditionally in both beauty products and as well in fruit and drink products too. It also comes with plenty of potential health benefits. One of the greatest benefits of rose water is its strong anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help in treating multiple ailments, both internally and externally too. It may be even help soothing the irritation sores of enzymes. Doctors often prescribe antibiotics for sore throats. But you may want to try rose water as well. Rose water has been traditionally used to sore throats, trusted source, while research is needed to prove this effectiveness. There is a strong anecdotal evidence to support it and very little risk in trying it. Rose water is easily available in the market, and if you prefer homemade rose water, then you can also go with it. Now, if you're not aware of the process, then let's look into it. Take 20 to 25 roses, take only petals. Now take a bowl, put something heavy in it like cement cube and put another small bowl onto it. Add 2 cups of water and all the rose petals. To cover it, you need to use a lid which is in a dome shape so that evaporated water will be collected in the small bowl kept in the cement cube. Boil it for 45 minutes and once it's done, store it in the fridge and you can use it till 1 month or more. This rose water will not have any kind of other ingredients rather than pure natural rose water. That's it for today's video. Hope you find this video useful, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Bye.